my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch out step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out touchdown, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah. Run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah. Run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog walking big talk. Young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship. I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend. Not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element. Yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it. Yeah. I've been married to this hustle. This is my ring. Watch out, step in it. Yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch out, touchdown. Pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed. The cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah. Run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my, yeah. Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah. Run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah. Run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog walking big talk. talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patted. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch how I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah. I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah. I hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, hit the ground, then I go off, yeah, yeah. Run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patted. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender.
Hello world. How we're doing? Straight from Bali. live from Bali. We have well, how long were we? 10 minutes for this. I think I've outdone myself today. Oh. And I didn't drop it, so that's good. Good morning, good morning. We've got Paul, Martin, Hugo, hello, welcome back. Robinson and Chris G, our latest subscriber from a couple of, was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. How is everyone? Oh, did we have a CPI yesterday? Jesus Christ. That was crazy yesterday. The volume was crazy. It was going up, down, up. So if you were watching the live and you did see what we were analyzing, which we're going to go obviously and analyze every single pair around the world. But we did have a lot of, give me 1 second. Conflicting moves on the dollar. First of all, pound dollar sold off, which meant strength for the USD. Then it literally recovered the whole move, and then it crashed the whole move straight down. So yeah, I'm sure. Hey, good news! I passed bootcamp phase 1, now on 2. Great stuff. Big well done to the Loyalty family. 7 a.m. news did nothing in comparison. Yeah, I actually haven't watched the charts. I was late last night because of CPI. Performed really well across all the accounts. A total of $600, so that was a good day. So news, I haven't even looked at what we got. We're going to do all that now. I do have a new mouse that I'm quite excited about. I don't think I can show it there. Which I was like, what mouse shall I get? I need a mouse because these ones, the Macs are good, but they don't have that feel of a double click, and you don't click so nice. So I got a mouse. Today is going to be more. I can click more effectively if you want for trading. Good afternoon, Marshall and John G. Right, today we're going to kick off with a bit of a bit of practice for you guys. I've done it already, so I'm going to start with I'm going to pick on one of you guys. How about we go with Chris G, the newbie in here. Chris G, if you can let us know, we're going to start today's live with a bit of a reflection and just to bring us back to the present moment. So I would like you, Chris, if you're up for it, to share something that you're grateful. Something that you're grateful, and we're not going to say generic stuff, my family, wife, kids. Something that you're grateful about you with regards to your journey of trading. So we'll see if Chris is up for it. I started the day and I wrote down what I was grateful for, and I had a long list because I'm grateful for a lot of things. But one of the biggest things about I'm grateful in trading is that I took a chance. I believed I could do it. I took a chance, and here we are now, living in Bali, living the dream, trading full time. My whole income is from trading. Got this lovely community that is building, and I'm so proud of every single member in there. Rich, he's not in yet. I'm sure he's going to join. Had his first payout from a prop firm. Like, so proud of him as well. He's doing a lot of work. Normally the quiet people in the background do a lot of work, and then it just shows up in the results. So, good morning. Ludwig, I think Chris might have missed that message, but let's go with everyone. So I said that I'm very grateful for what's happened in my life with trading, especially that the biggest thing that I'm grateful about trading is my financial freedom and to have time to spend time with my son. That's the hugest win that I could have had. But I don't have to travel the world with the team. I used to travel with the British canoe slalom team all over the place, the world, doing world championships, European championships, Olympics. That would have been 6-7 months out of the country away from my son. Now I can spend as much as I want. I can even turn this live off and go and spend time with my son. So that's the power of financial freedom. So I'm going to ask you all, Martin, Paul, Hugo, Robinson, all the people, the early birds that are in here, let's write something to start off our trading day. What are you grateful about? What are you proud of yourself? Even if you've had losses or wins, what are you grateful about today, in this moment, when we're going into London Open? We're currently sitting in the pre-open, 45 minutes to go. So we're going to start analyzing charts in about 2 minutes. Tio is straight in. Hey, good morning today. Are you looking for bullish or bearish setups? We'll find out. We'll look at that. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, we are going to do that. Let's take a moment and be present and reflect. So what I'm going to do after, if we don't get any of you guys to reflect, it's a bit of a shame, because I would like you to start thinking positively when we're going into an open session. But obviously I can't force you to all that. We have one person. There we go. We have, thank God that I found you. Appreciate that. Hi, Math. I'm sure you have more grateful things that you can tap into with regards to trading. The loyalty family. I'm grateful I didn't quit, even after being unprofitable for that must be a year, I believe, not an hour. I used to blow an account in a few days. It's been 1 month with 1 bootcamp and 10K on phase 2. That is something to be celebrated, and you should be very grateful that you have put yourself in that position. No one else did. I'm grateful I haven't given up. Huge. I'm posting a reel about that today after the live. A slight giveaway about what it is. What is the biggest strategy around Forex, indices, crypto, and this trading world? The biggest factor, if I could have one data point that will tell me if you're going to make it or not make it in trading, is how long are you willing, regardless of profits or losses, to spend time to work this out. If it's below 5 years, I know you're not going to be consistent. I just know it. It's just data. If you do get consistency between 2-3 years, that's amazing. But then when, let's say you have a big hit, you still have to keep going. So I would say the longer you are involved in trading and you're constantly trying to improve yourself by just tiny little bits, like 0.01% a day, that will push the needle forward. Then I can tell you with high probability that you will be successful in trading. Martin, that I have perseverance to stick with trading, and that I'm in a position to do this full time now. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? We should all take these moments and be grateful about where we are. Grateful for all the bad trades I've taken and not giving up. They are the best lessons towards being a profitable trader. Huge! Dropping bombs today, guys. John, absolutely huge. Every loss can only impact you how you perceive that loss. If that loss is like devastation, here we go again, imposter syndrome, oh, I don't belong here, this is happening again, it's happened 10 times, this is the 11th, it's going to be always going to be happening, I'm never going to get funded. That energy is feeding your results. So what do we do when we have bad results? We are grateful for them because it's happened now. It hasn't happened when you had 1 million, 2 million account. So you can go and correct the things that are not working for you. Or you can ask advice and see how you can improve them if you don't know how to. Huge, John. Grateful for many things. Good morning, Anna. But the most important is that I'm healthy I can focus on this. I mean, without health, we're nowhere, right? And I had to go through tough times about health this year, but honestly, if there's one thing that we know, we can only be good traders if our mind and our body is in a good state. Today I had a 2 hour actually workout. I felt so good. And since I've been working out, I can feel my energy so much. I can be more present, I can be more active, I can be more alive with my son, with the community, with you guys. And you will see it in previous lives. Sometimes I'll be a bit sluggish, but since I've been working out, I've been feeling a lot better. Marshall, grateful that I've become patient with my life because of trading. That's another big one. Is how many lessons has trading given us, right? It's us, our egos, our internal world, making money, not making money. No one can give you the answers. You're the only one that's going to give you the answers. That's brutal, man, brutal. I can't think of a harder job. Maybe like a surgeon where all his decisions are life and death. That's bloody hard. Military, if you're going against someone who's shooting against you, that's bloody hard. But if you think about performing every single day at your best, trading is up there. Who else we got? We got Paul. Grateful for understanding what it means to fight for yourself, especially when life has dealt you a very dirty card. Also grateful for being resilient over the years and understanding price action. You can tell our community is good by the answers. You can just tell. We are attracting the right people, and that's exactly right, Paul. It's all about the hardship that we have to go through. You can only see it as hardship if you think that you're going to fail in something. And things are hard, but when you love what you're doing, you're falling in love with your improvement. You're creating so many habits that you can take in every single aspect of your life. I mean, it's the most exciting job in the world, in my opinion. A lot of people say trading is boring. I haven't seen another job where you have to reflect every single day on your emotions, on your performance. You have to look inside. You have to do a lot of work to calm yourself down, to be patient, to be very good with your entries, to be analytical. Like, it's the best job in the world. Okay, and you might say, okay, it is for money. There's other best jobs in the world there. That you can impact the world, but make enough money and then go and impact the world with the profits you have. Good morning, Vinsmoke. I hope you're not a smoker. We want you to be healthy. Ali, good morning. Just take my profit sell off of the EU. Yeah, great day. Didn't know you had health issues this year. Not my health issues. It was obviously my passing of my dad and my sister, unfortunately getting cancer, but she survived it and she's doing great. FTMO does not accept US anymore. I start being skeptical about props. Best is to have a solid personal account at Darwin X maybe. Yeah, I only trust the fivers, to be honest. I've got an instant funding account. I don't really know them. I don't know if it blows up. I'll be like, okay. But the fivers I do trust, just because of the transparency, the open. You can never be 100% sure what's going to happen. Also, they are in Israel, so you're not. It's very hard for them to be closed down from the US. So I think I trust them. Like if they say all prop firms are banned, so then that might be something that we have to look at. But for now, I can trust them. And like you said, have a B plan. Have another account that you've got at least 10,000 in, where you can start trading and making money from. Good morning, Thirsty Gamers. And last one, Aravind. Hi, this is Aravind from India. Welcome. Right, let's jump on to the analysis of the day. We're going to do detailed analysis about everything that happened yesterday. all the pairs that we've got this morning. A lot of triggers on the DXY. Let's have a look on that. Start on the DXY. We had a good day yesterday, very good day. But look at that. We started here. We were talking about filling the gap. Oh, did it fill the gap? Boom. Through the previous daily high. Boom. All the way down to the previous daily low. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, so let's kill that. What we're seeing here. So literally, the new move is the move of the Fibonacci on what's happened on CPI. That's pretty much what's going on. We got into the fair value gap there, pushed back down, filled that gap that we had. Let's kill that. Kill that. I'm just putting the previous daily ins for the DXY. Oh, look at that. That's a big range. I'm gonna get used to this mouse first. Don't want to do any errors. Let's have a look. Who's excited about today? It's Friday, last day to trade, go into the weekend. Good or bad, we can always improve at the end of the week by trading or not trading if we don't find a trade. How is that good trading? Because actually, you can have the best trades by deciding not to trade. That's a good trade off. It's a paradox if the conditions are not right. So, big Fibonacci there. It's pretty much the previous day and previous low and high. Broke below the 23. We said high chance to go to the 50. It failed to break the low. So now we need to reverse this. I'm just going to go on the Fibonacci. Fibonacci style at the bottom, reverse. Because that's the move now, and we need to move that to there. You might say we haven't broken the high or the low. I would argue that this push up was this here, and then it broke above with equal highs. So we have equal highs above. We're breaking and closed. There's a 15-minute though. Let's see on the hour. We're going to see what happens on the open. If this closes above, we know that there's a high chance that it can go and retrace to the 50 and 61%, which means what? It means that we can go on the pound dollar. If that's going up, pound dollar will be going down. Now, look at that. Do you remember what we talked about? I would be interested here and I would be interested here. I made my money here. Now, I wasn't at the charts at this moment, but if I was up here, maybe I would have been involved. I do think that we have room to go to the 128. We're going to look at PMT and what's happening over there. But as it looks right now, we can see the biggest move on the hourly is this one from the lows. Normally I use the green candle of the push, but there's a big difference from the low to the high, so I'm going to use this. I want to see if we're going to break below, then potentially come and find this is not the previous day. We need to update it. Good old fun stuff on the pound dollar. Who's trading pound dollar today? I am, probably. I put a trade on the Aussie dollar yesterday. Would have worked. But I did get a little bit influenced by you guys because I didn't know the Aussie dollar, and someone said, wait, it's positive correlated, why are you trading it? Then I went on PMT and it confirmed that it's positive. But then I had to think about it. It's only positive correlated in the long run. So if you're finding a setup that is valid, just close that, close that, close that. You can definitely trade it for like 10 pips, 20 pips, because it will do bounce and do those movements. both directions. And sometimes it can actually be good because you're kind of like decreasing your risk on the other pair. Let's see. So we've got a previous daily high, previous daily low there, equilibrium. Where is my equilibrium? It's down here. Let's grab it, put it back into the 50. All right, so we're good. We took the highs. That was nice. I wish I was awake to take that trade. What has it done already? 24 pips. That was nice. That was nice. We missed that. Oh well, we weren't here to take it. It looks like it's pushing down 330. Half an hour in. Fair value gap being tapped now on the 1 hour. Let's see if this is a previous one that's already been. Yeah, this is done. So we take that out. Biggest fair value gap is down here now. What we need to see is 1 hour fair value gap. Right, what do we need to see? We've got our intradays here, which is the 4 hour fair value gap on a 76.4, which we've seen now it's been taken out. Oh, this is nice. Right, so if this, where can I get involved with this? This can come back, Let's have a look at PMT. What's the fundamental side of the GMT today? Post CPI data. Yeah, that was a nice little trade there. Right, so see, we've got hello Rich, there he is. I was singing songs for you earlier about your first payout. I'm selling pound from 17683. It's time to grab something. Okay. It's consolidated market. Good morning from Germany. Hello. Good morning, as you say. Pound looks like going down. Yes, please, GU. Pound go to 127. 7 out on GU sell. Right, let's see what the news is. I'm just gonna log into my PMT. Give it some time. I just need to tune up with the market. Right. Da-da-da. No giveaways, Yanis? I'm not sure what you mean about that. Well, we are giving away, if you mean about offers and stuff. The giveaway will be at 10,000 subscribers. Whoever's going to be on that live, they're going to get a 1 month free Vanguard trial. So you can jump in, come and see all of us live every Wednesday, meet the team. Okay, this has changed a little bit. 75%, 27,000. Let's look at that. So, dump money, 75% people short. We've 7K lots. Volume has dropped. A lot of people have lost money. Let's see how they are. Yeah, there's slowly increase in shorting the pound dollar, which when we want to be short, we kind of have to be careful because it might be going against the bullish sentiment of the institutional traders. And we can see that 26,000.8. I'm looking forward to see this week's COD data, because that will tell us if we're actually going into a swap. If we're going into a swap, there might be quite a decrease in long positions for the pound dollar, so it will be interesting to see. At the moment, the long positions are increasing. We dropped here by 1.2%. That was this, and then we've increased by 2.5%. The shorts have increased by 1%, quite steady there. I would say this is quite neutral data, not big momentum data. The dollar, obviously, a lot of people have been short on the dollar on the COD data. So what we want to do, I don't know if I'm going to use this mouse actually. It's struggling to do. Maybe I'm too used to the Mac now, and it works well with the Mac. Let me just take it out for a second. Oh, I changed it because it was very slow. Look at that. My mouse is so slow. I have to change it. Mouse. Oh, it's very slow. Okay, that's a little bit better. Maybe a little bit faster. Actually, let's go full fast. All right. So yeah, COD data. The dollar, we have a decrease in shorts. We saw the big influx of shorts coming in, right? 50s, 60s, 64s. Now we're decreasing in shorts, so that's interesting. Seasonality on the pound dollar, it's quite reddish, so we can see that here. But on average, it's 0.23 in the last 5 years. But this here, 2.78, it's outperforming mainly all of these. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 red out of 6 so far. And this is ongoing, the 24. So we'll see what happens there. We can see that the seasonality prediction is looking for long opportunities. Interesting. So overall, we've got dumb money selling the hell out of the pound dollar. COD data is neutral, but there has been an increase in position longs, and the dollar obviously still the positions of the shorts have been decreasing, so quite neutral on both of those. News, some positive news. We can see if we go on the overall news. Positive. We can see an increase of positive news. 5 releases of news that are positive. GTB data. What we've got today. Let's see events. Just tuning up with the market. This was the data yesterday. We saw a big 2.2 thousand initial jobless claims. So a decrease, which is positive for the US. Right, so Friday, January 12th, here we are. GTB data 0.3, an increase. So that would be positive news for the pound dollar. What do we have later today? We've got PPI. PPI is always one that moves as well. We'll see that later today. FOMC, not much there. Just these 2 big events. Manufacturing production for the UK came in green from -1.2 to 0.4. Okay, Britain. A bit better. We'll keep the overview there. And then let's go back on the pound dollar. So we had a bit of a drop there. We'll see if we can get back into that intraday trade. Let's open up our MT5s. So let's look at this Fibonacci actually. 1 hour. We kind of see if they're going to break the 23. I need to reverse this again. So we're 20 minutes to see if this is going to close below the 23, which will be a strong indication that we can go back into this 1 hour fair value gap. So then I would be looking for short opportunities for sure if we have a close below here. But I would want to get a better price. I would want to get a retest up here, maybe something like this, like that, and then I could a break of structure below fair value gap. The reason I'm going to wait for confirmation is because we've got a lot of interest above. We've got buy side liquidity there. We've got 128. First time that we hit the 76.4, so that would be an OTE level for the 4 hour, which is a move from this here. We've moved all the way back to the 76.4. Did we take the low? We didn't take the low, so this technically is still in play. So we'll see. Are we going to take the highs, or are we heading lower to consolidate within the Fibonacci? We'll see. A shorted pound, 1 pip exit. I mean, 1 pip. Please don't tell me that was like 100 lots or something. Do you follow Isha Foundation? Sanguru Javi Vasudev. I don't know any of that, Aravid. Sorry. Not sure what that is. Right, that's the pound dollar. We'll see now what's going to happen in the open. We're getting closer. We've got, what time is it? About 17 minutes. Euro dollar, Aussie dollar. We were looking at these yesterday. We're still in that red weekly zone that we talked about. Let's add the previous dailies. Let's get rid of this now. Go away. Right, so we have a nice fair value gap on a daily, which is quite nice. Actually, I do want to add the most obvious Fibonacci. Which one is the most obvious Fibonacci here, guys? There's two, obviously. One is the big move here that looks like it has retraced to 50%. So we're just going to double check that. Exactly to the 61.8. So that is pretty much done. We can't use this. What we can use though is the Fibonacci of the top move. So we're going to add that there. So that move now has broken, is closed above 23.6 on a daily. So there's highly likely, well, 80% of the time this happens. Remember, there's always the 20% that this crashes down and doesn't do that before it breaks the highs and the lows. But, did I put that wrong? So, let's move the previous dailies. Go away. So we have a broke above the 38.2. We haven't closed above the 38.2, so this can come back down and retest the 23. We'll see. Silver bullet time, that would be a time for quite a bit of volume, so we'll look at that. Where's my equilibrium? Okay, so that's set. I want to add a couple of intraday lines. So we've got the 50, which is the most important one, which is in the daily fair value gap on the bottom side. So that is quite an interesting one. I'm just going to label that. So we need another one on the 61.8 and another one on the 76.4. That's the big arena. Fair value gap, 3 Fibonacci's, and we've broken above the 23. Let's add some oscillators on there. There's room to the downside here in terms of like the indicators. So not strong like oversold conditions, overbought conditions, or the Bollinger Band's not constricting. Get rid of those. Let me see. Oh, I didn't delete them. Wait 1 second. Let's have a look on. Have I got any scruffy levels on this? I do. Oh, look at that. A weekly level straight in the middle of that fair value gap. So a nice little, and we're sitting on a monthly now. So these areas would be interesting to see if we're going to break above. We know the Fibonacci can easily push into that, which is giving us further indications. Let's go on the PMT to see what the euro dollar is happening. I know that my Excel sheet was showing this fundamentally as a short opportunity, but this has changed now. That's some positive news on the USD. 66% of people are shorting on the retail traders. That's good. Have we got news today on this? I don't like the calendar. They could make that better. I want to filter, for instance. I might give them some feedback on that. I want to filter the strong. Doesn't let me do that. Okay, so that's interesting. That is interesting. So let's say I want to look for a long opportunity on this. Does the DXY fit with what I'm thinking? So for it to go long, would have to push down. So let's have a look. There is a bit of a push to pre-market right now. This can easily push back into equilibrium. We have some areas of interest there. Let's see where these areas are. We'll see if we're closing 49 minutes, 10 minutes to see if that's going to close. I would want to see that. Let's put a little note on there. Will it close above 23? We'll keep an eye on this. Remind me, guys, if I'm doing something else, remind me to go and check the on the hour if we've broken above, because that will be interesting. If we break above, then we're looking for a retracement to the 50% on DXY, which would mean we could potentially see a push upwards for the euro dollar. I can see now it's found equilibrium. Not much there. So for the dollar index to push up, if that closed up, that would mean the euro dollar dropping. So if it dropped and it found the previous daily lows, then we might be interested. Why? Because I don't chase. I don't want to chase this. I know that there's highly chance that this can happen from here to here. What's that? That is 41 pips. That's great pip number, but I don't chase it yet. We're at premium. I want to see this come down, take out liquidity. So this is our plan 1. Let's write that in there. Well, we can draw it in there. Plan 1, take out sell side to push to 51 to 50. If that doesn't happen and this goes straight up, then we can look for short opportunities. Easy peasy. Let's put these little smiley face, happy face here, happy face here. Make sense? That's the euro dollar. Pound dollar. Pound dollar is in our happy face. This was my happy face. And this was my happy face, so that worked. So now it's reacting from my happy face. But we want to see if that's going to close in 8 minutes below here. If it closes, and then it gives us another opportunity. If it closes here, then comes back up, retest the highs. Even better, if it takes the 128 off, then I would like to see something like that. If it doesn't and it crashes down, we'll reconvene on this because the 1 hour is at a fair value gap. We'll reconvene if it's a good trade to get a long position here. I might be interested to take a little bit less risk because we're higher up on equilibrium, but it might still be a nice opportunity there. It lines up with our bullishness on the PMT. Euro dollar is a bit more on the 60%. Both are slightly bullish on that. So we'll see. Good news that there are recreational traders. I keep calling them retail traders are also shorting it. So that's good news. We don't want to be on the same level with the 90% failure that comes with retail. Okay, Aussie dollar. Oh man, that was a great trade. I blame Ali. Look at that. Correlation with the pound dollar, my ass. Sold off completely. How much is that? 60 pips, nice. Didn't even look back. So I got an entry there, and then it came to like 20 pips, 10 pips, not quite 10 pips. I didn't take it out. Then it pushed back up, and because I haven't traded this, I was like, oh, maybe it's correlated, and I'll get it wrong. So I closed it for $5 and break even. Okay. That's a good test. We've got more skin in the game if we want to try that again on the Aussie dollar. Let's have a look on the strength sheet actually. Where are we? Have I missed some chats? We said that. 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips I can take. 1 pip is like, okay, 1 pip, Jesus. Your last video helped me a lot. Please come up with more simple. Okay, I will do that. Did you observe pound dollar went down to NDOG? Yeah, this is Martin's language. NDOG and what are these? FDOG and all these ICT acronyms. I get lost. So even though they do work, I just stick with a bit more simple stuff. Euro dollar equal lows around 109.30. Let me see the Aussie dollar 1 second. We did an analysis on the euro dollar. We know what we're looking for. We're looking for long opportunities for me personally, but I need to see that come lower. I need to see the DXY to go higher. Oh, it's not closing above. unless we have a last push within the 5 minutes. It looks like it's pushing for the sell side here. If it is pushing for the sell side without retracing, then that would mean that fair value gap is out of play. This one. I don't think we're taking the lows. I've got a feeling that we're not taking the lows, but we'll see. That's my gut feeling. I always trust my gut feeling. And the gut feeling is not pseudoscience. Our brains have so much more power in the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind is taking in information of this like an AI machine. So all that information is in my brain. So when my gut feeling is saying, something's iffy here, it means that it's gone back to my subconscious mind and is looking at this and saying, something's not looking great. Now use your conscious mind and don't do dumb stuff. Right, let's see for different opportunities. Let's look at the strength actually. Let's go here. Close that. Where is it? This one here. So strength wise, strong. Just looking for some extremes here. The euro dollar. People are really wanting to short this. I wonder why. Let's look at DXM for a second. 66% of people are shorting this on the dumb money, so that's good because we're looking for longs. COD data. Let's have a look at the COD data. Yeah, this is quite low. Increase in long positions by 2%. Decrease in short positions by 0.5%. The net 1.8 higher. Positive. So we've gone from 2 to minus and now we're positive. Overall, this is the dealer report. That's right. Okay, so the actual volume, even though we're increasing in longs, the actual volume of shorts is a lot higher. So 453,000, that's big. So people have been short in the euro dollar. However, is it coming to a point where there could be a switch? Let's see the asset managers. Asset managers heavily long. Heavily long. And let's look at the last one. Leverage funds. Long positions. Okay, interesting. I want to go back to my pound dollar. Let's have a look on FinViz for a second. We closed above. Okay, here we go. Open. That's good. Positive news for our trade idea. We want to see that push now. Now let's push the hell up there. That would give us a push down to the pound dollar, and it would also give us a push down to the euro. So those would be two good things for us. Yesterday was gold, pound dollar, nailed it. Batish, hello, buddy. You're a guy, right? Batish, I think Batish, you're a guy. Sorry if you're not. Was my first funded account, took 1.8 risk reward, won't be trading today. Had to visit bank. Ultimately happy and confident, looking forward to nailing it further together. Good stuff. Positive across the group. Right, let's see. I'm interested in here because I know my biggest following comes from the UK and Europe, but I want to see who in here is trading. Let's see who from you guys. Pound USD, Euro USD, and I want to add the Aussie USD and USD JPY. Let's do a little bit of a poll. I'm interested to see how many of you are trading pound dollar or Euro USD. I'm not sure about this one. I think there might be some Euro USD traders in here. So let's have a look. That's good news. That's good news, pound dollar. Let's do that. Keep going up. Keep going up. Euro dollar not quite pushing down as we want it. It's holding above equilibrium. DXY is holding. We have had the close, so as long as we don't break the low, we can get there. USD JPY, what's happening with this one? Let's go on the daily. We haven't looked at that in a while. Okay, we're at discount. We can see that. This is daily low. Get a little box on that. Okay, so what is the weekly looking on this? If you have seen the weekly video, the simple video, simple strategy that I posted last Wednesday, there'll be another video every Wednesday, guys. Every Wednesday there's going to be a new video on. Look at this though, juicy. Equal highs. Damn. What happened there? Look at that. 1984. Okay, so this is quite high up, huh? So it's the highest we've been with sort of GPY since the 84 when we had that big drop. So that's interesting. Okay, so we had a big move. This is the weekly, so your kind of big move is from here to here. Not let me do that. It's frozen. Okay, give me that from this top here to this top here. So we're at discount on the weekly. We're also at discount on the daily. We've taken liquidity below. Don't mind this. If it gets here, remember what we said, the fair value that is closest to the price. You do have one here, but this is like the OTE entry. Let's see, what are we on? 15-minute fair value gap. Let's get an alert around here. Did that go through? Yeah. So we can forget about this now and see if that pushes back down. Let's see if there's any valid setup on this. USD JPY. I actually want to see my Excel sheet. Pound dollar is doing what we want it to do. That's good news. Okay. Okay. Oh, where is the bloody depth of market? No. USD JPY. I don't use that often. I only trade what's it called? Pound dollar. Is it data window? Market watch. Market watch. What is this? No. Where is it? USD. Have I not got it? USD yen. Let's close that. Okay, this is interesting. Got into that. What is this like? Let's keep an eye on this. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. What's this? It's gone away now for 5 pips already. It's a bit slow there. If it retests, maybe. Right, we'll keep an eye on that. It's something new, so if it gets back down there, we've probably missed that opportunity. It was quite nice actually, but let's see. Pound dollar. Pound dollar is pushing. That's good news. Pound dollar, we know we don't have to do a lot of detailed analysis to get in. This is kind of doing the opposite than what we want. So we have to wait. Aussie dollar. We'll see if it takes the previous daily highs. We've got liquidity above there. Did my sheet open? Don't update. USD JPY. Oh, it's gone back down. USD JPY. Okay, I'll give it a try. USD JPY. 0.25. What's the news on that? If it breaks the low, I just won't hold it. What's that? 10 pips. Let's see how it behaves. It's a new market. Pound dollar. Good. Keep pushing. Let's go higher. Chris G, that is prime terminal market. It's like a terminal like Bloomberg terminal, but it's a lot cheaper. You can put a discount if you put conscious day trader, you get, I believe, 15% off. Can you hear the Hoover? Let me know and I'll tell them to not Hoover right now. JPY, we can see here 0.2. Let's keep an eye. In theory, this is a good setup. In theory, if this was the pound dollar, I would like this. I would reposition downwards. But because it's look at this. It can move in one direction for a very long period of time. So I think having tight stops for this one might be better rather than repositioning like huge moves. We'll see how well it behaves around the daily highs. We are discounted on the weekly. However, we have retraced. What's this retracement? In an ideal scenario, okay, not bad. We haven't closed on the 0.5, so there is room. There is room for this to push higher, especially getting into the 76.4. So that's nice. Another little interesting arena there, but we'll see. Check us out, trading new assets. It's filling up the fair value gap now. I wouldn't trade my Darwin X on this if I don't know it. See if it holds the low. It's going for the liquidity now at equal lows there. What's up from South Africa? Hello. Right, what's the poll doing? Look at that. I thought we had some USD traders in here. We've got pound dollar at 46. So that's the most. It makes sense because I trade the pound dollar mostly. Euro dollar 26%, I can see. 13 Aussie dollar, USD JPY. Okay, interesting. That's interesting. So press the like button, guys. How many we got? Do I dare refresh and see? Or is it going to be depressing? Let's see. I believe we had about 70 people. Out of 70 people, we've got 25 people who like this. Come on, guys, we can do better. Click that like button so more people can find us. We can build our community and become bigger and better. Okay, it took the whole fair value gap. It's having a little bit of reaction. We'll see. We're looking for like 10 pips on this. It's like, this is like the simple strategy. 10 pips will just take us to the bottom of this. Pound dollar. Still pushing, good. Euro dollar is currently correlated with the pound dollar. If it continues higher, we have to wait for this retracement to the 50%. The waiting game. That's what Forex is all about. The waiting game. USD, JPY, bit of a hammer there. I'm not liking my coffee so much today. I think I didn't. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to sort out the machine. That's disappointing. Water it is. Okay, guys, let's get some activity whilst we're waiting. Let's get some Discord glasses from in the comments. If you are first time here, if you're enjoying the show. Also, if you've learned something from the videos I've been posting, from the stuff we've been discussing here, how are you improving every single day? We're even trading new assets. Look at us. Yeah, let's see. I just don't like these behavior. Look at this. I mean, if you're caught in this, Jesus Christ. 3.68%. Damn. And there's no clear data. Let me see. USD JPY. Some positive news. So there's positive on the endogenous, obviously negative on the short, long. quite neutral on the exogenous. USD. Slightly long, but nothing crazy. USD, JPY. I think that's popping out. Bam bam ba da da dam bam bam. She is saying there could be fundamental long opportunities, but that might be this sort of CPI reaction. We'll see. See if we can get like 10 pips on this, and then I'll see the outcome if it's correct. Let's focus on our main trade. Let's push. Come on, pound. Can I enter from already? Let's see. 30 pips is not too bad. That's quite bad. 66 pips. What's the highs? 50. That's nice. 128. I want to get 128. Come on, pound. Give me that. Where's our euro? Euro had an attempt, but now is pushing higher. Right, so if it doesn't give us the short, my bias is saying long fundamentally, but if we get to the extremes up here, I mean, if I woke up earlier, this would have been nice. This would have been my trade. I really like this. Look at that. Previous daily high, fair value gap, filled in, fair value gap filled, delivered. So clean. 20 pips. Perfect. I need to wake up earlier. Okay, we're pushing above. We'll see the reaction now on the previous daily high. Chris G, joined yesterday and live. Yes, good for confidence. However, I haven't learnt anything yet. Hoping through with time. Hi, Chris. My name is Yanis. You know me less than 4 hours. I would be very surprised if you can learn anything in trading in less than 4 hours, especially when it's a live trading session. So if you do want to learn what you see, I would do two things. Go on the channel. There's thousands of trading videos. Well, it's not thousands. It's only like 50 or 60. Go and watch them. Marcel, our moderator, has actually put some cool timestamps on lives, previous lives, where you can go and see the trades live. Yeah, I wouldn't expect to learn anything when you first jump on something. If someone can tell you that this is what you're gonna... However, I think from yesterday's sessions and today's, there was a lot of learning. So if you didn't find that useful, might be different things that you're looking for from live trading. Right. This is nice. This is nice. Let's do it. Come on. This is nice. Where are we at? 21. Who else has learned something here? Because maybe I need to do more. Yesterday's breakdown of all the Forex pairs, I think, was quite insightful. Let me know, for the people who are in here, are you finding this useful and are you learning stuff? Because sometimes you think you're doing something that's useful, but someone else is like, I haven't got anything from this. But who knows? I might be wrong. So for the people who watch me on a regular basis, do you find these useful? Or do you find the videos more useful? Should I just do the videos? And you know me, I do listen to what you guys say. The only reason we're doing lives is because you were asking for it last year. I watched a really interesting film on fasting last night. Oh, fasting is amazing. It's like, it's honestly the fast track to health. Back into the 76.4. Intraday fib from the 4 hour. What did it do then? That's a nice mover. However, it's in premium zone. I never trade premium. So we're waiting for this to become very premium and then we get involved. Let's see. How's this one doing? Just holding there. Hasn't taken the low yet. It's just hovering around where we entered. What's that? That's 20 pips up there. This is okay, but I don't like that we have a big target above us, the 128. And we're still within that big move. So if there's interest, what was the overall DXM? Oh, that's good on the USD JPY. People are shorting it. I guess that's good because we're long in it. Let's go on the pound. I prefer lives. Yeah, simple and useful. Good stuff. Super duper learning. Keep built in this community. Okay, that's good to hear. Prefer the lives. I find both very useful. Listening in at work and trading on my phone is not so lonely. Good stuff. Live streams are more useful in my opinion. Sitting through the session and working on psychology is something you can't get from a video. Going live and trading is scary and useful because I think you're make clear you're not in a way giving market ideas and trades. This won't surprise you, but the world's okay. So yeah, I that wouldn't surprise me. There's so many cool people in the healing arena in Bali. Look at that, stops exactly on the intraday. Pips, 50 pips. If this gets up to 128, I am going normal size, so one lot. And then I can reposition this to the 76.4. Just go on the 4 hour. Equal highs there. Fair value gap. Mm-mm-mm. 200 pips. That's a good idea. I like that. So we just have to wait now and see if this price goes to our desired arena. Why don't you long the pound dollar? I never long premium, Chris. So we're in the previous daily high. I'm not chasing higher highs. I would long if this had come down and taken the previous daily low or at least equilibrium. But I never trend trade to create break of structure, higher highs. I never do that. That makes sense. This is a retracement of a 76.4 move from this here, which is an OTE in ICT terms for a short opportunity. But obviously there's bullishness on the pound dollar. So if you're a fundamentalist, yes, you can buy this because the news were kind of bullish of the pound dollar. But for me, I'm just looking for opportunities to reverse price wherever it is. So expansive moves when they get into an area where if you imagine like an RSI overbought, oversold, I like the extremes of those areas. Finish for the day, another great silver bullet on pound USD. Nice, Murray. Yeah, that long opportunity looked good. But if you throw on the... did you get the short? Did you get this? Let me see if there's... where is it? Boitaki. On the pound dollar, you mean, eh? Pound dollar. Did you take this short or long? Let me see if I can see what you traded. I guess this is the one you could have traded to the long side. However, the silver bullet, in my opinion, was the short trade. came back, retraced all the way up here. You could argue you're taking this fair value gap. It's retested once, retested twice, retested 3 times into the intraday Fibonacci of 76.4. Delivery of more than 15 pips. So this is the one that I wanted to trade if I was trading the silver bullet. This is outside the silver bullet time. Took the long value gap at 2:50 New York time. Where's the New York? $2.50. I mean, it worked. So good stuff. I always find that sometimes the silver bullet will give you 2 opportunities. One will be the delivery of the first silver bullet time, and then there'll be a reaction to that. But the only danger with the second reaction is that you just get the continuation. So like it comes up here, fills that fair value gap there. Remember, we're in premium, so this could very easily continue down to equilibrium. But whatever works, works. Ba-da-bum. Ba-da-bum. Pound and euro are pushing higher. DXY, taking the lows. There we go. So we've taken the lows of this. So now this idea is invalid. Why? Because we've broken the low of the fib. So now we can rely on the other fib, which is this one. The range of the previous daily high and previous low. So like we said, if it breaks the low of that fib, it's highly likely that we're taking liquidity. If we're taking liquidity below, that means that the pound dollar is going higher. That would be great news, closer to where we want to be. Bit of a green candle coming up after picking up the sells here. Rafa, hello. Hey mate, do you mainly check premium and discount, or you also check higher time frame direction bias? Which works better for you? I always look up both. That's where I have my scruffy levels in. So every morning I will wake up and I'll look at the monthly levels, weekly levels, daily levels. In the simple video, I've just given you like jump on the weekly, and you can very easily see, you don't even need lines to realize where we are. We're just reacting to this. So the price can do 2 things on the pound dollar. It's either coming up to that 76.4 of a daily and hunting the highs, or we're coming back down to a continuation after an OTE or before the OTE, because this will be 61.8. That's the 2 plans. So now you can say, all right, am I bullish or am I bearish? Fundamentally, what am I? I will use the PMT to look for that. If there's something that is popping out, like we can see now, there's bullish indicators coming in. The DXM is short, which is another bullish indication. So that's another confluence. News here are bullish. So multiple things that are coming bullish that are confluencing your idea that the price is going higher on the pound dollar. That's great. Why? Because I want to go short. But the thing is, because everything is bullish, I can see where that bullishness can take me. And look at the reactions around 128. Boom, 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 boom. Big wicks. It will take a lot of power to break these things. And I'm only looking to like 40, 50 pips. So 40 to 50 pips from a reaction of this would be back into the 61. And if I get it wrong, I've got a plan to scale my trades in, right? Because I can scale up to 10 lots. So I can have one position here, one position here, one position there, pound average approach, and do repositioning. Does that make sense, Mikhail? You can see how it's respecting the Fibonacci. Now this is coming to take this fair value gap here. This is a 15-minute fair value gap. Our trade is currently $14, so that's about 6 pips up. What's that? That is I'm going to take about 10 pips on this, if it gives it, and the cost of it. So let's say so one lot costs $4, so that's probably $1 to open this. So I'm looking for 20, 26, 27. That will pay it. Just the tests, like a new asset, you know, to see if it's going to give me 10 pips. Push back into the fair value gap now. Let's see on the DXY. Took out sell hard liquidity. Now we're pushing higher. We'll see what happens on this fair value gap here. Throw in a Fibonacci on that. Hitting the 50% now. This pushing up means that the euro dollar is coming down to the areas that we want to, hopefully. I like, to answer your questions about how I trade, I like extremes. At the moment, we're not an extreme. Here we were. This is my classic Yanis trade. ICT 2022 mentorship. Previous daily, what is it called? Turtle soup. Grabs the sell upside, buy side liquidity, comes down, finds fair value gaps, delivers more than 15 pips. Amazing. I love this. What time was this? I normally look at my charts in the morning, but this morning I just thought, it's Friday, I'll just go and have some breakfast, and I didn't look at my charts. So that would be, where are we here? We're in +8. Yeah, that was 10 o'clock this morning. I could have taken that. Oh well. We've done all right this week. Let's go back on London. Yeah, the last video, a lot of people have contacted me and said that they like the simplicity of the video. So if you're wondering about what video we're talking about, if you go on YouTube and you click on my channel, this is where we are. You will see my biggest ever video, obviously, is the ICT Silver Bullet with all the indicators. That's got 40,000 views. People found that really, really interesting. Second best was 19,000 views on my first 10,000 ICT. This is when we got the comment from the ICT himself. Well done, proud of you, brother. That was pretty cool. then what we're talking about now is the most recent video, which is where is it actually? Videos. This one, simplest Forex strategy for beginners. I take you through whole bias, and you have other videos in there, Judas, all the classic ICT stuff. But this was something that someone who doesn't know ICT or is struggling with ICT, how can you make it really simple with bias, find a trade, and get in. So yeah, that's our little community, little channel. Let's go back here and let's see what's going on JPY. Not quite. Where are we? Another push now. And this is an example of another trade that I like. I don't know the USD JPY, but this is the same scenario on the pound dollar, but reverse, right? We've taken out the previous daily low, filled up fair value gaps here. The bias is long fundamentally. And I mean, this is a better trade. The first push, then taking out liquidity. This is the perfect entry. For something like this, for my trading, that gives you 40 pips. But I'm taking the second stint, comes back down, fills fair value gap. This is totally valid in my books for an entry. And we'll see if it works out. If it breaks the lows, I'll just take that loss. You know, it's not crazy, it's just 25 quid. So just to test an idea as an extra. And we can see the aftermath if this is continues or it takes the low after this fair value gap here. So an entry at 128 would be amazing. Why though would it be amazing? This is the question. Why do I like that price? Because we're super premium and the delivery of price of bullishness that we're looking for bullish would have completed. It would have completed the move. So what normally happens after a hit of a target, we get a reaction. And normally these reactions are quite aggressive. Look at this, boom. So that's what I'm waiting for. You might say, why don't you trade it upwards? Because risk-wise, I can't manage this. Even if I know like this is very likely, trading from here to here for 30 pips. If I don't get this right, I have to deal with this price coming to the previous daily low with like 80 pips. That's on a one lot, that's $880 that I have to deal with. Why? Do you use break even on your trades? No, but that might be a good idea for this one because it's not my real trading plan. That might be a good idea actually. Why don't we put that? Wait, I need my stop. That was a good idea. $2, that would pay for it. And then we can see if that works. We'll put it on 26. Thanks for that. Who was it? XD. On new markets that I don't know, that would be a good plan to do because then I don't have to care about it. Keep that on. $30, 10 pips I want, roughly like that. But I normally, on my normal trades, I never trade break even, because the way I make money is I want the price to go against me. It sounds like a paradox. But for me, when I've identified an area of premium and I'm happy with my trade, if it goes higher, great news, I can get better price. Because I'm so far premium that I can deal with it. Like I said, for me, trading anything around here when it's already delivered a price above the previous daily high, I just can't risk it. So I can wait for this to trade it upwards or even lower, like there, or wait for this to trade it downwards. And in between, you just wait. Okay, this is looking a little bit better. Can you just start pushing? The good thing about, guys, I just posted it in the Discord group. Where did I post it? In the Vanguard group. Look at this. We're currently in the top 300 traders in the Darwinia Silver. So that would mean that they would provide me another 25,000 as allocation, which would add to my 25,000 allocation from December. So I would have total 50,000 of this. The good news is that I can do that every month, up to like ridiculous amounts of money. So this allocation stays with me for 3 months. So let's think about this. If I get 25 now, so I have 25 in December, February might be my last month of the first allocation, but then I will have 50K from the following 2 months. So on the 4th month, if I hit allocation, I would just lose one of the 25s, but I would have another 4 months of 25 allocations. So that would be 100K. And you can keep doing that. And when you do that enough, you then get to a level where you can upgrade to what they call gold. Did this stop us out? Let's see. It's getting close. And there we go. We've got a 17p stopped out. So this will be interesting to see what happens on this now, this behavior, because it filled up this here. It went up to $20, so about 9 pips, 8 pips. But mainly for me is I want to see if this would work out. So now it's pushing down. I still think that this can go higher, but I don't know this asset so well. $375 is max allocation per month for silver, I think, but you have to keep that result at least if you want the other 25K at the end of the month, or increase performance for better allocation. Wait, so at least keep that result at least if you want the other 25 at the end of the... Yes, so that's correct. So when you get funded, whatever you do, even if you become out of the allocation, they have allocated you 25,000 for 3 months. That's guaranteed. And you can trade it. Now, in the new month, the allocation that you've got is already there. If you get another, if you stay within 75 plus, so my current rating is 78. If you're 75 plus, you will be in the top 80% of the people in the histogram. Then out of 4,500 people, you are getting the 25,000. Interestingly, if you want to get the bigger numbers, you have to be in the top 27. And not only that, you have to be in the top, like 3-4 people. That's when they start giving you 300,000 and so on. But that's every month as well. Your next month, you can get another 300,000. But I would need to improve this by, I would need to be in the 4% or 5%, I think, for the month. But I'm happy with this. Slow gains, slow building up of this account. Got 1.59% on this account so far. And I've returned more than in the last month. I think it's 7.4 now percent. So not bad. Look at that reaction now. I think it's going to go to where we're thinking. Let's go here. Pound dollar. We'll see if it climbs. It's just filled that fair value gap now. So hopefully it takes the highs. Is that a prop firm? Yeah, Darwin X is Spanish. It's not quite a prop firm. It works like you trade your own account, and if your trading is good, they create an index out of your trade. So I don't think I can do it now because I'm not in the UK. But if your index performs above 75 on the rating, so if you trade better than 4,753, so it's technically, if you're in the top 400 people, they will put 25,000 in the back end, and you will make I think about 15% of that profit. Appreciate that, Lee. Need to wait PPI news for liquidity. What time is the PPI? We looked at that. There must be a way I can filter this. Events chart. This is loading. Should have some widgets. Bum bum. It's taking too long. PPI at 2:30 UK time. Producer price inflation month by month. Here we go. The impact increases in producer price can lead to higher costs for businesses. You can see constant increase. Pretty close numbers from predicted. .30 UK time. Okay, so what's this one then? This must be on. What time is this on? Oh, Sydney. Is it? Ba-da-ba-ba-bum. Yeah, I don't like this. Let me try and go to... This takes me back. This is the one I always used to use. But sometimes it has different... It would definitely have the PPI on it. I like the filters on it. I want pound, dollar, euro. And I only want the strong stuff. There we go. PPI, 9:30 my time. Another late night for me, I think. Because I don't see any trades so far. 1:30. Look at the strength. Hola. Weakness on the USD. This is on a daily. I do like the FXM on this. Currency strength. Can see below the week, quite heavy on the USD. JPY, where is it? USD. It's quite nice, this. I like baby pips. $24 currently. This is the price. How many pips is done today? That's pretty cool. There we go. Took our break even. Now it's going to go higher. Anything above here, close to 128, I will start thinking about it. It's only 10 pips. So anything, I'm going to put an alert. Anything around this arena is something that I would be interested for. That sounds like my son has come back. You make 2,500, 1%, and you get 375. What's that, from Darwin X, you mean? Michael? If this is about Darwin X is quite deceiving because you only get 15%. However, if you're in the top traders, a lot of people invest in you, and suddenly you don't only have 250,000, you have a couple of million. So 15% of a couple of million, it's not bad. So in the beginning, it's tiny, but as you are building the account, getting 50, 75, 100,000, you're getting 15% of that, of the profits from that. And then you're also making your own profit because you're trading your account. And on top of that, you're getting the profits from the shares of the investors. So it's quite deceiving because you think, oh, what's 15% when I can get 75% on the prop firm? But like with everything in trading, you have to be in the top 1%. Otherwise, you're not going to attract investors. You're not going to trade the big money. You have to be in like the top 3, 4, 5 traders. So you have to have the belief that you can do it, and you have to work towards it. Not easy. Not easy. Aussie dollar. Not yet. Anything above here, this is interesting. This is Yanis' happy place. Euro dollar. This is Yanis' happy place. USD JPY. This was the happy place, but the ATR looks a bit slow on this. What is it? Anyone? USD JPY normally has a good ATR, isn't it? It has delivered 42 pips there, so not bad. Dollar index, we didn't take the low. We did take sell side, we didn't take the low, and we pushed up. We haven't yet got back into that 61%. Here we go, back into the previous daily high. Let's see. Come on, pound dollar. Give us a nice entry. You can do it. Because we have, and I've got till 9:30 for the PPI news, so that's in 4.5 hours. So it can very easily, if the price comes above here, get my trade sorted before that. Do you hear about Robin's Cup Challenge? I know that ICT has entered it for the first time. What's it called? Robin's Cup. Leaderboard. I think ICT is in it, isn't he? Has it started? Should I join? World Cup Trading Championship standings. Come on, pound. You know you want to break above. Equal highs here as well. Nice little liquidity grab there. Just curious what ICT. Can we see what his current trades or where he's leading? That's 2023. Italians, huh? So wait, this is 280%. 491%. Is that in a year? This is futures. Oh, Forex. There we go. 145%. That's it. June 1st. Oh, wait. Is this current standings? So this is 7 months in. Final 300% on Forex trading 2022. Net return, there we go. Let me check what's going on first. Rejected. Let's put an alert there so we can do other stuff. Let's put it on the intro. So, oh. Previous winners, Forex, 405%. If that's in a year, you start trading in February. It starts in February, so we can still join. So you need 10 grand for futures. Quarterly division. So that's 4 quarters, up to 200. Wow. So $2.5 grand dollars. I'm kind of tempted. I am kind of tempted, but I need to learn a bit more about it because there's already standings on it. So has it already started? That would be another cool achievement to have on our list. So if that's what's that? So they had like 403%. You should divide that by, let's say, 11 months. So 36% per month. So 36% per month with a 200, 1 to 200. Because I'm currently trading with 1 to 30. So you would be able to, I normally do 5%. So I would have to increase my lot size by 7 if the account can take it. I saw this. Is this Patrick Neal? Is that Patrick, the guy on YouTube? No, he's not German though. I don't see ICT anywhere though. It's pretty cool. Maybe. I need to do a little bit more research on it. Especially if I can copy the trade, if it's a what's it called, a market MT5, I can just copy it in the background, increase the size, and it just does it in the background. So ICT will start in February. Okay, maybe I should join in February. Compare myself to ICT. That would be cool. Just for fun. Just to see how we compete. I'm guessing when you give the 2.5K Can you make money off that 2.5K, or you just pay it to become to join? Do you know what I mean? It's 2.5 grand. Do you keep the profits? Overnight positions allowed. Day trading allowed. Leverage 200. Amazing. Okay, top finishers are eligible to win prestigious awards. Entries are accepted throughout the competition. Okay, so January, March. So it's already started, but ICT is joining late. Is that right? Why would you want to do that? Pound dollar SMT on 15 minutes. Yeah. Is this the one you're talking about? Nothing there. Nothing there. The trade that I would have taken happened at 10 a.m. my time. This trade would still be in. This was the trade that I would take. I didn't see it, unfortunately. That's okay. Don't have to get all the trades in the world. Guys, if you want to join our Vanguard, I put a link in. We are a great community. You can see a lot of people who are in here that are in the chat as well. Martin, Rich. Let me see if I can give you a link of this. Copy link. You can always join us, see what we're all about. And as always, the right people will filter out and the right people will stay. But here you go. That's how you can join us. I totally agree, Bruno. I was thinking the same thing. I was like, this is the website. It looks so dated. It's probably run by these guys, that's why. Since 83 standings. I mean, Ralph Casagione. 11,000%. Larry Williams. Nice. Oh, that's the Larry Williams. I've seen some videos of his. That's pretty cool if you can trade and compare yourself to these guys. I'm quite excited about this. I might do it. FX Trader, who's that? It would be cool to see the conscious day trader on there. That would be cool. It doesn't sound like, obviously 300, 400% does sound a lot, especially if ICT is in there. It's going to be something ridiculous, isn't it? He's going to do like some 5,000% or something. So maybe it's not a good time to join, but he would be doing futures though, I'm sure. %1,000 trading futures. I think that would be a fun thing, and we could all like keep an eye on it, how it's doing. ICT has 150,000 bet with Patrick Ewan that he will beat Larry this year. Oh wow! Oh wow! So there's a bet between, there's beef that ICT will beat the 11,000%. Oh man, I can't see that. I can't see that. Considering the volatility of the markets right now and the wars going on and all this stuff, there's so many things that are being influenced right now, but maybe he is ICT after all. Damn, that's confidence, especially because it's public as well. But like, hats off to him, right? There's so many haters out there that say, oh, ICT fakes all his results, and he's going on something that's public. So kudos to Michael. I mean, I wouldn't go that far to say that I'm going to make 11,000. If he won the competition, that would be insane, and it would blow up his account to like, I don't know, 50 million users. Larry Williams' daughter won it too. I mean, Larry Williams looks like he did this as an investor. I'm sure he had positions that just went crazy. There's no way you got this with day trading. No way. Look at all the other results. There's something with the Williams. There's Michelle, his daughter. What are they doing? We need to learn from them. Okay, so the leaderboard can go per quarter. So you can just win the quarter. But my understanding is like, if you pay 2.5 grand for this, do you just lose the 2.5 grand? Or can you make money out of it? Euro is trying, but not much. I'm just gonna have to wait for some volatility, guys. Not much going on. My previous self, I'll be shorting and longing this crazy. But now I've learnt to just take the A setups, because if I don't get the A setups, then I can be in a trade for 4 or 5 days. And it's probably the same amount of time. Maybe I don't find a setup for 3-4 days, but I don't have to stress to deal with a difficult trade. So I would rather get really nice price and trade than like yesterday when I had this position here, nailed the entry. I should have held it. I only held it for 10 pips. It did 24 pips. So I could have made double my money. Or even like to the previous daily. Well, it's not this one, is it? Wait. No, even better. I got down here. Somewhere here. Let me see actually. My entry long 127072. Oh no, it's not that one. Is it that one? 127072. 072. So I got in here. I could have held for like 70 pips on this. And to be honest, I would be able to hold that because we went from previous to, it was discount arena into the premium side. The only thing that made me stop it was that it was a reaction of news. And even though I like holding through news, my ideas, because it was doing some weird stuff, it came down, then pushed up, then it pushed back down. I was like, maybe not. As far as I understand, it's just a fee of money, nothing else. I think you participate with your own account. broker and they just audit your results when finished. Okay, so you just pay 2.5 grand and all you get is the prestige. I'm not keen for that. I do want to make my money. I don't like just paying 2,500 for nothing. At least give me the option to make the profits from that money. Maybe I'll contact them and see what the deal is. Look at that. In 2001, 53%. So if you're in a year where you get Larry Williams, there's nothing you can do. So it's basically like a promotion if you want. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? It could be fun for YouTube videos to track that. Imagine how many want to learn from you if you're number one. I guess. Yeah, it's publicity, isn't it? Imagine if you do horribly. Like ICT does like minus 5,000%. Then everyone unsubscribes to ICT. Oh my God, the videos that would come out. You don't pay that. That's your minimum starting balance in the trading account. So you all start from the same place. All right, so they give you 2.5K. Is that what it is? Yeah. But it says minimum balance required to enter. So minimum you can put 2.5K in, is that right? That's a good idea. I should do a GoFundMe where people can donate for Robins and it's enough money to participate. That's a good idea. Why not? Hi Manas, what do you think? Stopped out on GU longs. I guess it may go down somehow. Well, we are in, like we said, we are in premium. That's why I don't like trading long from here. You fund your account with that. All right, okay. So how much is it, Martin, to participate? How much do I need to pay them? That's the question. Let's Google it. How much does it cost to join the World Cup trading competition Robin? Anyone can take part at the Futures World. In the Forex World Cup, however, it is 5,000. In the Futures account falls below 1,500. All positions will be closed. Now this account can no longer be participating. Oh, it's free entry? Wait, it's free entry? No, this is different. Oh, it is. So you just need 2,500. I'm not sure, how do they make money out of this? Like, what do you pay as a fee if this is your account? Ah, look at that. It gave 10 pips. Okay, now we know for the future that it did behave. Only just though. I believe it's free. If it's free and I can trade that and keep my profits, I'm gonna do it. All I'm gonna do is just move some money from my personal account that I trade into that. What's the difference? The question then is, do I keep my profits? I should do, right? It's just a minimum amount. Could drop him an email. Or I could watch this video. Okay. So what we're going to do is wait for the 9:30 my time, and it will be 1:30 your time in the UK. We will be trading the PPI. We'll see if it's as big news as we had with the CPI. CPI gave us good profits. When I say good profits, CPI, all it did, it pushed the price aggressively into areas where we were interested. Pound dollar retraced all the way down back to the 61.8. Boom, entered. Did that a couple of times, got some profit from that, about 40, 50 pips. And we're slowly, I've been testing the waters with the market to see if I'm in alignment with it. And now we can slowly start building that size back to what we normally we trade. Guys, drop a like. Do that for me. If you can do that now, that will be awesome. Let me know in the comments if you do want to see me trade the World Cup Trading Championship. Maybe I can join with ICT, see where I compare with him. As for fun, obviously the GOAT, one of the GOATs, because there's not one. Like Larry Williams, for instance. Jesus Christ. If there's any GOAT, 11,000%. We're talking about Bitcoins at $1 to like 11,000. So that's crazy. Yeah, so it's been good as always. Do it and beat ICT, says Casey Chong. Hard to believe, but who knows? You never know. You never know. You have to be in it to win it, as they say. All right, guys. Have a good afternoon from Bali. Trade well. A bit less volatility, or we did like the volatility of the old pound dollar. We didn't quite get our entry. I know a couple of you did. This completes the first full week, I believe, of lives. So next week will be Monday live, Tuesday live, Wednesday will be a new video. Make sure you look for that. What I might do is just add on to the previous, like the simple Forex system. Maybe we can add a little bit more onto that to make it even higher probability. Or we'll do another video, we'll see. Let me know on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you can drop me a message on what would you like to see. And have a good weekend. Don't think about trading all the time over the weekend. Switch off as well. And I'll see you soon.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn patty. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time.